We're looking here now at a mid-19th century lithographed map of Brooklyn as it was during the Revolutionary War, so the 1770s. This map was produced in 1858 in New York, lithographed by George Hayward. It's got all sorts of interesting features on it, including a mudflat bare only at a very low tide with tall mast sailing ships here. We see over here there's the placement of a brewery. There's a meadow here. This is the lower tip of Manhattan. And here we have Brooklyn here. And when we flip this over, it's printed on a bond paper or a banknote paper, which is sort of unique to this era. We see there is one small little repair along the edge here, which when we flip the map over like so, we see as a, it's barely noticeable, but it's worth pointing out just to make it so that you know exactly how the map survives. There's just a little portion here where it's just barely visible. Aside from that, the map is clean, well preserved, lovely example, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.